To be continued. Continuing, we are in the Galanchozh district. This is one of the wildest and most unexplored areas of the Chechen Republic. There are a lot of beautiful views here and many wild, dangerous animals. And today we're gonna take a little hike here. At the moment, we're moving along the lower reaches of the Osukhi River. We're looking for a relatively flat spot to set up camp and settle in. Not far from here, just a couple of kilometers away, is Galanchozh Lake, which is one of the main attractions of this area. Now I'll tell you a little bit about it.
There are many different legends surrounding this lake, from it being created by an angry bull to the superstitious fear it inspired in the local people in ancient times. That's why they considered this lake to be sacred and bottomless, and they never used its water. On sunny days, it takes on a bright blue color with a greenish tint. And for its small size, the lake is quite deep. In some places, the depth reaches 30 meters.
Subtitles created by Galanchozh.
Don't forget, this is a very dangerous place. There are a lot of wild animals here. That's why you need to let them know you're coming, so you don't accidentally run into them. Huh? I'm warning you, I'm warning you.
The water tastes good. Interesting.
Well, check it. Let's let it in. Come on. We have to push through again. Through the thickets. So, have we decided on this spot? Yes?
We've decided to stop here. There's a spring here. And here is the Osukhi River.
Since we stopped by the river today, Apchi and I want to take this opportunity and try to build a spit that will work using the power of the current. And we'll see if we can roast a chicken on it.
We'll gradually gather the necessary parts, and then we'll assemble everything together. We'll see what comes out of it. Wish us luck.
Let me give you a little spoiler. If this video is out, it means we made it.
May I?
Have you ever done anything like this before?
I've never done it.
Do you have any construction experience at all?
Well, just stuff around the house. I have a little experience. I know how to hammer nails, I can do that, and I can screw in a light bulb too. But that's about it.
Well, today you'll learn. You might get a new responsibility at home. In the kitchen, yeah.
I saw this in a movie and got inspired to try it myself. I've always wanted to do this, and it turns out so did Beshto.
I saw that movie.
So, I found someone who shares my interests. Beshto, yes, Beshto. And we agreed. Let's give it a try. What if it works out?
Right now, Apti is trying to build, let's say, a wheel for this spit. Are they the same?
It will look something like this.
We need 6 blades. We also need to figure out which ones to make into, well, blades, and what to make them from.
And here is the Osukhi River itself where we stopped. It's a small river, only 13 kilometers long. The Osukhi River begins on the northern slopes of the Yug-Erlam Ridge, which means Central Mountain in Chechen.
We cut both ends of this stick so that we can insert the blade of the spit here.
I think we need one more, Apti.
What, cut it again?
Yes.
We'll see now if we need to or not. I think that's enough.
So your blade should be bigger, like the size of your palm.
Alright, we'll see how it goes. Thank you. Write in the comments what I'm doing right now. Whoever guesses Kant will send them something. He'll definitely send you something. Well, there's always something.
I mean, if it's been finished evenly on one side, it's worth checking it from the other side too.
I want to make it as thin as possible, then cut something out of it. It'll be easier to finish it with a knife there.
Apti, when was the last time you made something with your hands? Well, created something, so to speak?
The last time I did something with my own hands, I remember, was about 2 years ago when I helped build a house. We were making the roof. I was handing nails and a hammer, but nothing more.
Now you want to build a house yourself?
Well, that would be really interesting and awesome.
Come on, if you build a house, we'll make a video about it. All right, but only if you build it yourself.
If I build it myself, Beshta will film it and upload it to YouTube.
Go ahead. I hope it's a mountain cabin. I hope so too.
I don't want anything else. That's why we're going to make blades for our spit wheel. And we need 6 of these.
I know many of you are probably thinking and writing right now that we could have used some other options for the blades, but our goal was to use only, let's say, natural materials that are around us, so that the whole setup would stay in harmony.
Pay attention to the cave complex across from which we set up camp. These recesses in the rock were used for grotto burials in ancient times, even before the spread of Islam in Chechnya. It's hard to say why this was done in this particular place. Perhaps there was a settlement nearby, the traces of which unfortunately have not survived.
Yes. Here, subtitles made by Dima Torzok. What were you thinking, guys? We're building an ark. No, well, you know how to do it. You really do. You could have.
Dick.
What's the forecast? I don't even know what to predict. I'm just curious to see how this turns out. I think, like many others. Asma, what do you think? Will the machine start? Yes, not much. Yes, not much. I think the geometry of the design allows it. Can you see me through these incredibly fast spinning sticks? Opti. I feel like this is going to go way beyond the spit. You're going to build something. A helicopter, for example. Anything is possible. Bilal, huh? You also decided not to go for oil. Diria você pode. Lepto.
Yeah.
You wrote in the comments that you wanted the episodes to be longer? Yes. Laughter. Well, here you go. Here's an hour-long video for you. Let's see how you cut everything here. In the end, it'll be a 10-minute commercial. Subtitles by Dima Torzak. You'll get it. Here it is. The pushing mechanism of the structure. Crooked but neat. It didn't crack. All good. No, this one is cracking. Careful. Yeah. The main thing is not to ruin it. That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. I see. I see. Don't panic. Feeling, here we go. This is going to be bigger, Mom, than when we bake meat in the ground. Yes. This will be much more interesting. Very interesting. Is that not enough for you? No, I said that too. But if it's not enough, we'll have to add more here. No, I think it's enough. Maybe theirs was shorter? No? Shorter. And like the river is lower than the shore, and it will end up right on the campfire. Yeah. More of a frame. Yes, I hope it's good stuff. Thank you. That's all. Yes, we need a rope. Hang it. No, not like that. I hope you're not in a hurry and you have 63 seconds to just enjoy the mountain scenery. Alright, this is a very important moment. We're gonna do a trial run of our setup. Let's see if it will work at all or not. It's working. It's working. No. This one. Def. It's lagging here. Yes. One peg. Yes, that's all. We need to mark it. Let's do it. Yes. Alright. The first aid kit will fly. Well, of course. Finally, chicken, your time has come. Now we're going to put it on this spit, Huh? Maybe it's her, not him. Not him, I said. It's okay. Her, the chicken. Definitely didn't expect that, did you? I didn't expect it at all. I've seen videos like this, but seeing it in real life is way cooler. Honestly, did you not believe in us? No, honestly, I did believe. I knew you guys would make it. You guys are smart, Hello, Weedy, got it? It's like Rambo came in and said, let me show you how to roast a chicken. Subtitles. You made a mess here. Well, a daisy. You're leaving. Oh, the cat's not here. Wait. Something's wrong with you guys, huh? Go, 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 go. So, and on the sides, right? What, Sosin, on the sides? These main 3 sticks I want to take home with me just in case to use in the future too. Do you think you'll use it? Well, you never know if we get the idea, at least for myself and for a video for myself. When was the last time you did something for yourself and not for a video? I don't know. No, let's say, do you even remember such a thing? Thank you. Apchi. See you next time. We still need to make some kind of side dish for your chicken. Not for your chicken, but to go with your chicken. Will mashed potatoes work? Or together with your chicken? Here, I made you a mortar. Oh, that's just perfect. We'll have mashed potatoes as a side dish. Well, Apti, tell us, what's it like to be filming all day and doing something? I thought it would be easy. Turns out, not quite, but I think it was worth it. We'll have a delicious lunch. By the way, this knife was made by Qas Muhammad. If you want to order a knife like this, it's made of very strong steel. Call the numbers shown in the description. And here's Qas Muhammad. He made this knife. Can you confirm that? We've been using it for a while and it doesn't get dull. He prepared this chicken and he once promised me something. I've been waiting for 3 years. Well, call the number in the description. Maybe I'll do it for you faster. Yeah. All right, go ahead. Try it. Go ahead. Try it. Come on, try it. Yeah, however you want. So how is it? Yeah. Look, I love wings. Yeah, can I take the drumstick? It's just juicy, delicious. No doubt at all that this is the best chicken I've ever actually eaten. Yeah, all of this was worth it. It didn't fall apart, so yeah, it spun around, everything's juicy, it was spinning. All the effort we put into this spit was not in vain. But next time you'll be spinning it for another 2 hours and I'll seriously take it home with me. Yeah, next time you'll fly on it like Carlson. Next time, well, that's it. Friends, be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. And a special thank you. I would like to say to everyone who supported the channel after the previous episode and clicked the sponsor button, thank you very much and see you in the new episode. Alright, that's all. Everyone. I can't pull myself together. Let's go. Let's work. Yes, recently. Yes. In one movie.